Hey everybody. Well, I had to buy this today because when I saw know y'all saw the video of me downloading Windows 10 Professional and putting it on a USB. Well, that USB got erased because of doing that. And all the Windows stuff got put onto that. It just erased a lot of stuff off that USB. So I had to break down the day on a Saturday. I don't like going out Saturdays, but go to Best Buy and buy this. Let me bring it up here. It is a Sandisk Ultra Fit 256 gigabyte hard drive, or not hard drive, but flash drive, or whatever you guys call it. I don't know what we want to call it, a flash drive, but I had to get this to replace the one that the what do you call it? The Windows did messed up, so I got this. Let's unbox this if I can, because I might need some scissors or some stuff. Oh, there it goes. Oof. Ooh. I'm gonna have to get a knife. Damn. Damn. Hold on. It is in there. Hold on, let me go get something. I had to go get my knife to get this open because I hit plastic. There it go. I don't know why this is so hard to get. There it go. Got it out. Ooh, there it go. Look how bad I had to tear that back. Look at that. So now, can we get this thing open? Yep, there it is. This looks like it's easy stuff. Oops. To lose. This is 250 gigabytes. Now, I got a lot to say about this. Put it on camera here. I had to go to Best Buy to get this. I'm gonna say some crazy stuff in a minute because I'm finna say it now. Best Buy, $54 for this, 250 gigabytes. Now, I went to Amazon to see if they had this. They don't sell this on Amazon. No, they don't. That's very weird that they don't sell this on Amazon. Because the highest it goes, if it's SanDisk, is 128 gigs. This is 256 gigs. So Amazon does not sell this. Best Buy does. So I had to go on a Saturday to get this. And I couldn't believe it. They sell little things like this, but it's not no 250 gigabyte one. So that was weird. Ooh, that was weird. So this is an unboxing of it. Let's there. See? Then they had a silver one, but it doesn't go up to 250 gigs. Now I think it was one was 512. I don't know, but it's silver. It's a little bit bigger than this one. I would have got that, but then I'm not gonna spend, because if you get one for 512 gigabytes, it's like $100 some when it comes into something like this. So look at it. Oh, and this is a USB 3.1. So this is very fast when you put it in. I guess I got to put this in my PlayStation to replace the USB flash drive. So take a good look at it. Look at that. This camera just zoomed in deep. I think this camera zoomed in deep. Oh yeah, my camera's deep zoomed. So there it is. What do y'all think? Ask questions. There go the back of it. Let's see, does it say 250 gigs on the back? I can't tell. Can you? So like I said, if you was going to get a 250 gig one, you're going to have to get it from Best Buy or other stores. Amazon doesn't sell this. That's a big surprise that they don't sell this. It's very weird. So, well, that's the unboxing of it. Let me put it in the PlayStation. No, put some stuff on it that I had on my other USBs, and that'd be it. Nope, hold up. So, y'all see it. That's it.